G'day, this is a video for Nasdaq 100, or on TradingView the symbol is known as NQ1 exclamation mark, and it's slightly delayed. However, it's still a very close indicator as to what most brokers are offering in terms of the price closing, so it's the best format for that. Now I'm going to be looking today at a monthly, weekly and daily chart where price is going to take us up to the original level or a fresh supply. So we'll start on the monthly, and we'll just zoom out real quick just to show that we're now in a 14-year plus cycle of bullish momentum, and March is here, right? So we're still heading north into the remainder of the second part of the financial year, which is going to be great for 23-24, and we're going to be heading up to a fresh supply, and yeah, it's pretty heavy. So in the past I've been wrong, because you'd think at a 14-year cycle there'd be enough pressure here, sell side, to push through. However, the rejection never occurred, albeit it did try. It's just going to move on to the next part. So I'm not glossing over. I got it wrong, and buys are taken here because when it comes to it, weekly and daily offered the confirmation for longs. So you take what the market offers. Technicals aligned. However, market moves with confirmations. So with that being said, we're still bullish, heading up to 14.7 plus towards 16k. Who knows if it makes an all-time high again? We don't know. What we do know is that this monthly zone is very strong, and it'll be a first tap, right? So what we're expecting from this first tap is that it's a fresh supply. Price will take us back down to here, and I want an actual trend line here with an arrow. So we'll put it red for the sell, and there you go. Price will take us back to here from this zone. So going down to the weekly now. It's pre-marked already, and we are currently in a PCP on the weekly zone, where price has left the PCP zone now and is heading up towards its next target, which is a couple hundred pips, maybe 600 pips. So up towards this fresh level here on the weekly. It's a fresh supply. It's a strong zone, and it's a nice combination of the monthly and weekly combo here. So it's a very strong supply. Now the reaction here, looking left, has been closing 1 week within the zone, piercing the monthly, however respecting the downward trend line which has been occurring, creating a lower high. Now, can we expect this to happen again, or will price take us into, if I draw rectangles here, price will take us into the zone. Let's make it weekly color purple for ease of access. Or will it reject back down to this zone and then pull us back up deeper into the zone? That can definitely be a strong probability looking left. However, at the same time, when you pierce it, expect a little tail out back down to a pivot which has been formed roughly between this next couple of weeks occurring. Price can then flow back beforehand, forming that zone, and then take us up into here. However, as I said previously, it is a strong zone. It's a combo zone, so await confirmation on the daily, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day chart if you're looking for sales. Or if you're a set and forget person like myself, you'll stick a zone in at the top, let it ride, and then stick a little higher zone here with your risk adjustments, and move the trade accordingly as to how much leverage and equity is in your account. So do take that into consideration, please. So that's the weekly perspective. Strong zone, leaving the PCP. A new zone has formed in here, which is nice. So here's your new zone. And the reason why I pre-marked this, didn't draw the zone, is because I can't give everything away, right? So why is this a new zone? Well, it's been tested on the daily chart, and we'll come to that now just to show, where price is nested strongly in three soldiers formation, creating a nice price action pattern where price is nicely stuck to this level of 12.67 or 12.7 roughly. Now, in between this zone here and this part here, price was never retested, right? It strongly tested the first time. The second time it's stuck on top. Therefore, the zone has not been pierced, failed to break. On top of this, price rallied back up, creating the equal high again, and the ceiling has been busted after numerous attempts, creating lower highs, higher highs, and lower highs on the diagonal formation. So your daily chart from here creates a new zone or trend line, and looking left, price, you walk up to hit this point, realizing that there is a little bit of probability here where price can tail back, which is why the zone is formed here. But the real zone of interest is the one above. So that's where price is taking us right now. And price can look to tail out a little bit, back to fall back here again at 13.6, sorry. Or it can continue up into the 14 plus zone, hit its daily target, sell back, then wait for rebuys. That's pretty much it. As I said, overall, this is a weekly chart whereby price is in favor of buyers market. You want this to continue back to fall a little bit. Ideally, waiting for your profit targets to be within the zone. Again, you can hold if you wish to, but ideally would be to look for sales here or wait and close all positions and just wait for the next part of the pattern. So, yeah, I hope that helps you. This is an update for Nasdaq, and we'll be reviewing more soon. Take it easy. Hooray.